1, 2, 3.
The question of whether money or family is more important is a complex one, with no easy answer. Ultimately, the decision of what is more important is a personal one that each individual must make for themselves. There are many factors to consider when making this decision. Money can provide financial security, which can allow people to live comfortably and pursue their dreams. It can also help to provide for family members, both in the present and in the future. However, money cannot buy happiness or love. It cannot replace the bonds of family and the support of loved ones. Family is often seen as the most important thing in life. It is the foundation of our identity and provides us with a sense of belonging. Family members can offer us love, support, and guidance throughout our lives. They are there for us through thick and thin, and they make us who we are. Of course, money and family are not mutually exclusive. It is possible to have both money and a strong family. However, it is important to strike a balance between the two. Too much focus on money can lead to neglect of family relationships. Too much focus on family can lead to financial hardship. The best way to decide what is more important is to consider your own values and priorities. What is most important to you in life? What do you want to achieve? Once you have a clear understanding of your values, you can make a more informed decision about whether money or family is more important to you. Here are some additional things to consider when making this decision. What are your financial goals? Do you want to be able to retire early? Send your children to college? Provide for your grandchildren? What are your family goals? Do you want to have a close relationship with your children and grandchildren? Travel the world with your spouse? Give back to your community? What are your personal values? Do you believe that money is the most important thing in life? Or do you believe that family and relationships are more important? Once you have considered all of these factors, you can make a more informed decision about what is more important to you, money or family.